day, everyone. I am Angelici Trazares, and here's my interview of my friend. This is for academic purposes. So,
Ayun ay kata, ayun ay.
What is your first name?
My first name is Ken. Is Ken.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Where were you born?
I am born in Butuan City.
Where do you currently live?
I currently live in San Vicente, Butuan City.
What is your sexual orientation?
I identify myself as gay.
What age did you realize your sexual orientation?
There's no specific. Ito?
What age did you realize your sexual orientation?
No. So there's no specific age na nabawaan ako kung sexual orientation. Nabawaan na ako siya na time na nanong ko yung buot. Dahil nga day ko, ay nga ko.
Check! Are you single, in a relationship, married?
Single.
What pronoun do you want other people to use to address you? He, she, they, or others if others want?
I want them to address me as he, they, or them.
Have you experienced any kind of assault with regards to your gender? Would you mind sharing your situation?
So way back in high school, I was bullied. I was experiencing humiliation and discrimination from my fellow classmates.
What have you done to conquer it?
Ganun. Ako lang silang gipalak po sa dunggan and I'll just ignore them.
Do you have any movement to help your fellow community?
Movement for now. I don't have any movement for now because I'm still a student, no. So dili ko maka-create of any movement. But I just want to say that kanang just ignore them, kanang be themselves na.
What can you say to others people might have experienced the same thing? Any words or encouragement?
The message and the advice that I could give to those who experience humiliation and discrimination is to be themselves, and we don't owe them anything. So kanang kung saan lang ipaingon ipalapos lang sa dunggan and marato.
This is ay kanang bitong I realize na dili lang like kung unsay bitaw nimo, like dili nimo siya ikaulaw kay kung para sa ako is need to bitong kung na kay friend, relatives or other pa, like need nimo siya kanang dawaton bitaw sila kay part man pud sila sa life, part siya sa world. And kanang those parts sa LGBT is kanang need nila respect dili lang sa kanang babae or lalaki. Kanang magid ang respect is sa tanan ng tao, dili lang sa self, sa others. Also the LGBT need to respect and kanang bitaw like ang uban kay bastuson pero kanang sa makadungog bitaw kana kay as koy family relatives na also part of LGBT and dawat ako siya and dawat na ko ang mga LGBT for me. And that's the end of my video. Thank you. Ang akong na-realize kay we need to bitang at siyang dawaton for who they are kay part man siya sa world. And sa bitang pagbuli na to sa ila, di man na makatabang sa ila ha. Like madown nilang confidence and matago ang ilang unsa sila. Like gay ba sila, lesbian, unsa sila part na LGBT. Need na to sila dawaton kay part sila sa world.
we should love our LGBTQ plus friends or strangers.